The global logistics industry has developed an impressive array of hardware designed to automatically sort goods for a customer order or for a specific destination. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, the problem for Australian companies is that this hardware is almost inevitably imported and certainly expensive to source. While the capabilities are impressive, it can be difficult for companies to justify the expense of these all-singing, all-dancing systems, and that's why Adept offers a practical alternative. Based on current customer shipping data and always with potential for future growth, Adept combines commercially available specialised sort components with purpose-built Australian-designed hardware. Now, the result is a sorting system that can be supplied to the customer at a fraction of the cost of the offerings from the overseas integrators. Adept can supply details of installations with major customers, sorting many different types and sizes of parcels on a daily basis. For more details, you should go to adeptconveyor.com.au. And thanks for watching.